Nokia T10 is the portable tablet. 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage, 8 inches HD display, dual stereo speakers, Android 12 with 2 years of OS updates. $5,250 mAh, non-removable battery. 2 megapixels selfie camera, 8 megapixels main camera, micro SD slot. 8 inches HD display and OZO playback, awesome entertainment, dazzling display and stereo speakers with OZO playback. Android 12 OS, 2 years of OS upgrades, delivering all the latest features, privacy options and settings. One of the best budget-friendly tablet in market. 3 years of security updates, protection against the latest threats, so you can shop and bank online with confidence.